Hi viewers, in today's video I'm going to show how to download any app from Google Chrome in your laptop or PC. So without any regret, just follow the steps. Search GeoHoster in your search bar and open the GeoHoster website, which you can see first. Then you can see three dots on top right, click on it. After opening that, you can see an option called cache, save and share. Click on it, and left side you'll see a pop-up, a small box. In that it's written install page as app. Just click on it and you will get a install page. So just press on install and your app. Congratulations, you have learned successfully how to download any app in your laptop or PC. So you can see similarly you can download any app in Google Chrome in your laptop or PC. So how exactly I showed you the steps to download GeoHoster. You have to follow for any other app which you are downloading. So now I'm gonna show YouTube. So I open YouTube, just click on top right three dots, cache, same options, and even Netflix is the same. Just click on the Netflix website which you see on the first, and three dots, then cache, save, share, and here you can see install pages app. Thank you.